My name's James Mead. I'm Director of Redlands Property Services. Basically, we maintain, service and install anything on the oil side of heating. With Atlantis, I would say probably for about the last 12 years we've used Atlantis for our sole source of oil tanks. So today's job was installing a 2,500 litre oil tank on this property. That was delivered directly from Atlantis to site. We've put that onto a pre-existing slab which we cast a week ago. That's now all connected up. We're just waiting on a fill of oil on that one. The beauty of using the Atlantis white glove delivery service is we can get the tanks delivered directly to site on time when we actually require. I'm really impressed with the quality of the product. Hand on heart say we probably install, I don't know, probably about 50, 60 up to 100 oil tanks in a year. Do we have any issues with those oil tanks? No, very, very, very rarely. Of all of our time actually working with Atlantis, I can hand on heart say we've had 2 issues with oil tanks which have been replaced under warranty. So with the Imperium range, one of the benefits to us and from a customer perspective is the ability to be able to put a security lockbox on the actual oil tank retrospectively. Previously, in the past with the older range, we had to put that security lockbox on at time of order. From Redlands' perspective of Atlantis' customer services, absolutely second to none. Absolutely brilliant, no problem with it whatsoever. We actually do have a WhatsApp group, which has actually got their transport, logistics, ordering, everything else with it, which is solely our WhatsApp group with Atlantis. It's brilliant, they keep us updated on when delivery is coming, if there's any delays, or if it's coming in earlier, or whichever way. Would I recommend Atlantis tanks? Yes, I certainly would. From our experience, from our business experience with Atlantis, we've had absolutely no issue whatsoever. A really, really good company to work with and work for. You know, they will always help us out to the nth degree. So would I recommend them? Of course I would, yeah. So with the oil tank, you can actually specify the outlet cock if you want a electronic sensor gauge on there as well. With the Imperium range tanks, it always comes out, you've always got a touch-up paint with there. Nicely, and I've got to say this, there is always a bag of Haribo in there. So after you've installed the tank, you've always got to have your sugar rush after you've done it. So.